In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Hubstaff in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to invoicing, this guide will help you efficiently manage your billing needs using this intuitive platform. So, let's dive in and get started. To begin with, you need to open your preferred web browser. Simply search for Hubstaff and then head to the official site. Once you're there, it's time to sign in. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's always the option to reset it. Once signed in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Here, you'll want to locate the section labeled Financials. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select Invoices. This is where all your invoicing needs come to life. Now that you're in the Invoices section, it's time to create a new one. Look for the Client tab if it's not already selected. You'll then see a button labeled New Invoice. Go ahead and click on that, and you're on your way to creating a fresh invoice. The next step is generating your line items. This is crucial for accurately reflecting the work you've done. Find the button that says Generate Line Items, and click on it. Here, you'll need to fill in the details such as the date range for the invoice. Make sure to enable the Include Expenses setting if you wish to add any expenses to the invoice. Once everything looks good, click on Generate to add the line items based on your selected criteria. This process ensures that you have a detailed and comprehensive invoice ready to go. At this point, you have two choices. If you'd like to save the invoice but aren't quite ready to send it, click on Save as Draft. This option is perfect if you need to double-check the details or await additional information before finalizing. On the other hand, if you're ready to send the invoice, click on Save and Send. This will dispatch the invoice directly to your client's registered email address. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively create and manage invoices using Hubstaff. This tool not only keeps your financial records organized, but also streamlines the communication process with your clients, saving you both time and effort. Remember, being detailed in your invoice creation ensures you get paid for every bit of work you put in, so take advantage of these features to provide clear and concise billing statements. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions or tips on invoicing, feel free to share them in the comments below. Happy invoicing!